That's right, everybody. We are finally taking the KX into its natural habitat. Really the reason I got the bike. Some open desert, higher speed stuff. So this is the first ride in the desert with the KX. Getting used to the bike. I think it's just what I needed to understand the bike, to be able to learn and extract its full potential. Let's get into the video and get into the fun and actually being able to stretch the legs out on the KX a bit. All right, different scenery today. Out in some high desert. Finally on the KX. Let's get to ripping. See what we can find here. Got some rocks here. I love this stuff. This stuff is so open. I don't know the area. It's pretty open, but we're getting used to the trails here. So they told me to go left here. Oh man, this stuff is freaking great. KX really stretching its legs out here. Alright, and now we're to a road. Let's go see what else we can find here. Wow, this stuff is wicked. Man, this stuff is so flowy. KX just soaking up the bumps. This is what I got the KX for. And man, it is not disappointing. So I didn't say where we are. We're out in Cline, Butte area, around Bend, Oregon, and we are finally taking the KX out on the train that it is meant to be on. When I got this bike, yeah, I wanted to use it on the trails, but I knew this would be a good high-speed bike. And man, does it deliver. This place is awesome. Trails on trails on trails. Now let's go see what other free ride stuff we can get into. Oh man, this place is absolutely, what a spot. What a spot. All right, well, I think we found a spot here. This is the flowy stuff here. That thing is sick. Oh man. Say it enough. This is what the KX was made for, at least what I got it for. Man, is it great. We're gonna go ahead and head back to base here. I think we gotta give the KX300 a shot on these trails. Let's go do it. Oh, nice. gonna do it for today's video. Be sure you stay tuned for some more KX action in the desert, as well as some KX300 action. But riding the KX out there in the desert is really what I needed, I think, to understand this bike. Because once I started to understand the bike better, I started riding faster on the bike, and I even transferred that knowledge over to the trails here where I'm from. So in the next videos, you'll see that I'll start to get faster and faster, more comfortable on the KX. But if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it or find it useful. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on, keep up with all the action. If you're into motorsports, you're in the right place. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.